love gambling. For now.
Bro, don't gamble. How do you make it save a VOD? Is that even possible to save a VOD?
Yeah, of course.
Customize channel, blah blah blah. Let's not open up customizing channel on stream, you know what? Turn that down.
At this point, it's just a break-even trade. Okay. Go for it.
Bro, I had no notifications the past. It just went sideways the past 24 hours. What are we on? The 1 hour here? Okay, good. Let's start from the start. Set up all my alerts. Yeah, I gotta chat with that clipping guy today as well and see what he's saying. Just
Okay.
because I'm not gonna basically, Tom has maybe just stopped me and was just like, oh, bro, I know so many services. Let me know what you're saying. Before going and doing anything stupid, and you know,
Yeah,
using somebody and paying, dropping a fuck ton of money.
of course.
So I'll jump on a call with that guy tonight. To be fair, see what he's saying.
Yeah. Why not? Why not? It's absolutely pumping. Needs to go a little bit up.
Bro,
A little bit
I
more.
hate trading against the trend of Bitcoin, man. It just pisses me off because it never works. If I'm placing opposite trade of the, you know,
Yeah.
it's just, I know it will not work.
Come on, go to full TP. It's so close. Come on. Don't be a bitch. Don't be a silly bitch. Go. Go, buddy, go. You know you want to. No, no, no. That's not good.
I love this song. This is the 1 minute chart. Why am I on the 1 minute chart?
It's rejecting fuck me India.
Bro, everything's fucking going down after Bitcoin's big ass pump. One minute chart again. Yeah, it's still trading in its range. Was that yesterday or this morning? Bro, look at that Bitcoin trade. I should have entered that Bitcoin trade. How more predictable could that have been? it's gonna try and fight its way back down or stay up into the 16k range.
Oh, you were thinking about those clippers, like paying them like the ones that do on WAP, like per views, like per 1k views, shit like that, right?
Sort of. He would kind of set up the whole system, set up APIs, allow me to track it well. But the thing is, it's too much. Do you know? Like I
Like
can.
expensive?
Yeah, it's 5k a month.
Holy fuck.
Yeah, exactly. Like, sure, that's only 10 course sales at the end of the day.
I mean, yeah, true.
But how else
At
am I gonna
5K.
how else am I gonna grow?
At 5k, bro, you might as well fucking clean your house. Go to the farmer's market. Type shit. Yeah, that's kinda. Come on, buddy, go a little bit up. More. A
You know,
little
I'm gonna
bit.
go to the farmers markets on Friday.
It's so close, look at it. It's so close.
What are you trading?
Oil,
What's the worst contract name?
TL1. I mean, on my stream you can see. I'm not sure. It's really close to my full TP. Like,
Alright, I'm gonna pop you out here and have a look.
I hate when it's edging me like this.
Are you doing multiple TPs or is this just the
No.
one?
No, one TP. Okay, went above. This is good. Now it should just continue going higher. But the books are so thin. I mean, you can see them. Like, look at all of
Yeah,
these
that's
highs.
ridiculous. Look at that. You're
Yeah,
on the
it's
1 minute
really
chart and there's no.
Yeah, exactly.
Market doesn't open though for another 15.
No, okay, it's going up a little bit. Go. Okay, now it should continue up, at least for like a few pips. Come on, pick up, pick up, pick up, pick up. Ah, what the fuck is this? Go. No, this is disgusting. I'm not gonna lie. Like, war, Trump, and then it's summer, so the books are so thin and nobody's trading oil.
What? Was there an update on the war?
There's always an update. Like two days ago, Ukraine basically they bombed Russia's oil refinery, which basically they reduced the output of oil by 40,000 tons a day. So that's kind of
What's that as a percentage though against
it's not too much,
Russia's?
but it's not too much, but it's just one refinery. Like Russia has a lot of them, but
Yeah, exactly.
it's
But
still like on a microstructure level. It can cause some deviations. So yeah, look at this. Exactly at my fucking TP, it's going down. Yeah, it's like my cock. Yeah, go down. How low can it go though? That's the question.
come on, lad.
Yeah,
Come on, lad.
yeah. Disgusting. I mean. if
Oh,
this-
ew. Maybe it's gonna bounce off the high. Reject from the high.
Hopefully, bro. Hopefully, I need this. I need this. I need it. I mean, I'm just disgusted by the amount of orders. I'm just gonna go NQ. My god, NQ is even worse. Holy shit. It's disgusting, not gonna lie. I hate trading summer. For me, the best trading season is the winter. December is really good. It's really good.
Wait, you're talking yearly? Well, it's probably what? Is it still holiday times? That could be affecting the markets.
Of course. Look at this. Eating cock and balls. I mean, if this gets invalidated, I'm closing it. Okay. Nice 15. Thank you. This is not good though.
What was the confluence?
What's the confluence? Okay, so. Wait, let me see exactly. Oh, so. In ICT terms, there is this concept. It's called internal to external. External levels are like lows, like basically candle lows, basically just liquidity, candle lows, and internal levels are gaps, imbalances. So you want
Yeah.
to go from external to internal. it went in it exactly here. It entered the gap, so I should be having my TP there, but I'm not having it because I just want to see this high taken. But whatever. So
Your TP is that high? Why would your TP be that high?
because it's a little bit above these highs and it's still kind of a
Wouldn't
level.
you? But wouldn't you set it below the highs?
No, no. I mean, there's still some liquidity above it, so it's not like the last point, which I would like to see, because this gaps are nice targets. Like all of these gaps, I want to see rebalanced. So yeah, but as far as confluences go, on the no wait, I went on a 5 hour. As far as confluences, we tap this gap, completely rejected, as you can see, completely rejected. And then on the 1 minute, we had this order block, which was followed by like crazy momentum, as you can see.
Yeah.
And this is my model basically. Failed order blocks. When an order block fails with like according displacement, this is not really a good displacement example, but it went kinda displaced here, kinda.
Yep.
So that's kinda nice. I just wait for this order block to get invalidated with a body close above it, and then I enter off in an imbalance, or just this block, whatever. You see, I entered exactly at the. I think it was a 3 minute actually gap. Yeah, a 3 minute gap here, a 3 minute gap, and I just enter off a gap. So order block failed, and then just enter off a gap and hunt this kind of poorly distributed liquidity. All of these highs and all of these highs, which are equal. I love targeting equal highs. This is like my bread and butter. So these are exactly equal. They're taken out, but still, as I said, I want to see that level get validated. Although I'm gonna close if it goes below, or am I? I mean, it's break even. I don't care. Whatever. I'll not close it. I'll just let it be. This can go higher, and I expect it to go higher. How high exactly? I don't know. Um, no, I mean everything I said. That's basically it. It's really not anything complicated. Yeah, this is probably gonna be some kind of a New York reversal, I guess. I don't care though. Whatever. I put it on break even. That's the only thing that matters. This is a 15-minute gap, right? No, 5-minute gap. Oh, what is Bitcoin doing anyway? I have not been looking at crypto at all. Only for my morning outlooks on YouTube. Oh, this is fucking disgusting. Look at this range. How much is this? How long is it? It's 7 hour complete complete range about that price action. God damn. Not worth trading, I'm not gonna lie. You wanna participate in these kind of volatile moves, violent moves, whatever you're gonna call them. This is stopping me out, not gonna lie. Come on now. Go, buddy, go. We need to see this clip. Wait, I'm sending it to you. Diabolical. Okay, it closed the gap. This is perfect. Now it just has to go up. It doesn't want to though. It has to spike at market open. We're cooked. Are you trading anything? Oh, you're muted. Okay.
Are you watching Reels, buddy?
Expecting something.
Nah, I was just saying goodbye to the maid and
Uh-huh.
paying her.
Oh, she came? Oh, nice.
Yeah.
She understands English?
Yeah, no, she's made sure she was like a friend of a friend. She was
Yeah,
really
yeah.
sweet.
Nice. She's eating my brain out. Okay, go. Okay. Finally, some kind of fucking move.
Cheeky
Oh my
retracement.
god. What?
Cheeky retracement.
Yeah, wait, my grandma's can't wait.
Oh shit.
Yeah, not gonna lie, this is looking more bearish than bullish for me, in my opinion, but we shall see. I took this liquidity, but it has nothing to go lower for.
Orange.
Are you trading anything?
Nah, I'm just checking shit out.
Wait, let me see. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, I could short this, definitely. Ooh, yeah, I'm shorting this. Wait, I need to tell my friend. Fuck, fuck. Short. Gold. SFT at the highs with silver. Okay, start
Short
going up.
gold.
Yeah, yeah.
Isn't it a bit too
There's
late?
diversion. No, it's perfect. Now it's market open. I just need to gamble that this shit is not gonna. Yeah, nice liquidity here. Am I streaming still? I am. Okay. Oh my god, go CL, please. Stop fucking dicking around. Okay, here it goes. Go up. This is okay. It's pretty inevitable that it's gonna go for the high right now.
Yeah, no, it's
For
like
sure.
your trade's looking good as long as it doesn't reverse here.
Yeah. Wait, gold is okay, perfect. Wait. Wait, I'll show you actually. You see how this high didn't take out this high?
Uh-huh.
If you go on silver, this high did take out this high, so this high is basically, in theory, protected. So you can treat it as something that's not gonna be taken. But if okay, it is in a gap. That's really good. So now I just wanna see proper displacement, like lower. If I was on a second chart, it would be so much better. But I wanna see displacement lower, and then I'll want to enter short. Okay, go oil, go. Definitely. I wanna see this. So wait, I'm on micros. Good, good, good. At least this gap invalidated, and I'm in a short. I'll put a big stop loss, and I'll hunt these lows here. These lows here are perfect. As long as this shit gets taken out, I'm good. Where's the well going? Oh, it's fucking around still. On the loader block. Good. That's not too good. Okay, let me see what Kasao is doing. Okay, now I want to see just close. 36 seconds, I'm gonna make my position. 2 units, 3 units. What's the 3 units? What's the... Yeah, I'm gonna... let me see something. Yeah, we're kinda respecting this, which is not good. Oh my god. Nah, this is an engulfing candle, I don't wanna do this. Nah, I'm shorting this. Wait. 1 hour? Respecting. Okay, yeah, I'm shorting this. Actually, let's wait for a gap to form. 1 minute. Oil, come on, bro. GC. Yeah, this is gonna be a gap. I'm putting a limit. Gonna put 3 units. Exactly. 30 more seconds, gonna wait.
Right, I'm so sick of placing trades, and my winners are always the trades that I'm not fucking, like, behaving on necessarily. In terms of, like, I'm not positioning the right trade correctly, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
That's always...
Okay, bro. Cool. Go down now, surely. Oh my god. Disgusting. No, this is not good now. Oh, fuck me. Not good. Gonna take out all of these, which is on its own really bad. Am I filled on gold? Not yet. filled. Oil is fucking me in the ass though, creating this disgusting candle liquidity. Now we can say that. This gold trade gets kind of a gamble, but whatever. We love those. CL is doing nothing. Holy fuck. And I need to go take my lunch, but I can't step away from the PC. Fuck me. I can validate the gap. This is not good. Oh my god, it's dumping. Fuck me. Taking these lows 100%. Then from there, I don't know. I'll just keep holding whatever. I won't even look at it anymore. Let me go just pick up my lunch. I'll be here in like a minute.
Alright, sounds good.
Okay, it's dumping. Nice.
Order. So
I started
so
Tai Chi at 50. Now I'm 68. And doctors.
One thing that many traders struggle with when trading supply and demand or smart money concepts is finding the right zone to buy or sell from. Sometimes in trending markets, price action is going to form multiple supply or demand zones, and you're not going to be sure which one you should focus on. Failing to know which zones to focus on and which zones to ignore leads to a lot of avoidable losses, because traders will try and execute from the wrong zone, or even worse, from every zone. This can cause 2, 3, or sometimes even more losses before you actually get it right, and that is not a situation that we want to get into. So how do you actually identify which is the best zone to buy from? That's what I'm going to help you with here today. We're going to be talking through 4 primary points to help you perfectly select the zones you should be focusing on and the zones that you should be ignoring. Thought number 1, is a zone efficient? Inefficiency or efficiency in a market generally refers to whether a zone has been retested or not. A couple examples. Efficient markets look like this, where all zones have been retested, and inefficient markets look like this, where zones are left without retests. I see some people trying to trade out of supply or demand zones that have already been retested by wicks or full bodies. These zones are low probability. Why? Because any buying or selling orders at these levels have already been met. The orders have been filled. It's the areas with inefficiencies or imbalances that are likely to be filled and likely to give the best reactions, because the buying or selling orders inside of these zones are still waiting for a fill. So the first tip I have for you when it comes to choosing zones is to focus on the imbalanced zones. To identify an imbalanced zone, we are simply looking for supply or demand zones that have caused a big move that haven't yet been filled. So we don't want to see any wicks, bodies, or anything else trading back into that zone. Example, these zones are imbalanced. This one is not, but sometimes you're going to see multiple imbalanced zones. So that leads me on to the second point. Point number 2, extreme zones. So in a price move like this, which is quite a common sight, we are left with multiple imbalanced zones. In these instances, we have more than one possible point to trade from, which can get a bit tricky. But as a general rule that will treat you well, imbalanced extreme zones hold a lot of weight. An extreme zone is simply a term for the furthest imbalanced zone from price within the current leg of movement. So these are standard zones, and this is an extreme zone. In situations with multiple imbalanced zones, it's very likely and very possible the market is going to come and trade into the low zone, because we still have imbalance and inefficiency to fill. Now, this isn't going to happen every single time, and to combat that, we can approach from 2 angles. Buy or sell limits at the extreme zones, and a focus on confirmation entries at any other zones in the move. A confirmation entry for me just looks like this, where we wait for price to meet our zone and then look for a shift in the smaller trend from lower lows and lower highs into high highs, higher lows. Then we know the small trend agrees with the big trend, and our probability and likelihood of winning goes up a lot. So I tend to prefer extreme zones for my buy or sells, especially if I'm using a limit order, because it greatly increases your risk versus reward and also increases the likelihood that the trade wins. Remember though, trading is a probability-based industry, and sometimes by focusing only on extreme zones, you will miss trades. That's the nature of the game, and that's where the confirmation entries come in handy. The third thought is the strength of the impulse. In a trend, we have corrections and impulses. The impulse moves are the large movements in line with the trend, and the corrections are these little pullbacks against the trend. If a zone has formed a strong impulse, so a movement something like this, that is going to be a high probability zone to buy from. If, however, a zone has formed a very slow, choppy bit of price action on the way up, but then we come in and we form a strong impulse zone like this, then the second zone is going to be the one with a high probability. And while this does somewhat contradict the previous point on extreme zones, the simple tip I can give you to take advantage of this thought is to focus on the strong impulses when they are the cause of the break of structure. So, in this example of a trade I took a while back, we see there are open imbalances below, but they are weaker zones, because the moves they cause are slow, choppy, and all inside of the previous structure move. Then we have a strong impulse, and this impulse breaks the trend into new highs. So while this isn't exactly the extreme zone, it's definitely the zone where the most buying pressure came from, therefore being the zone with the most interest. And the final pointer is, does your zone exist on the higher time frame? Depending on how long you've been trading by now, you might already know that the higher time frames generally provide the more accurate setups. Why? Less false moves and less intermittent noise. High time frames show price action averaged out. Low time frames show every little intricacy of the buying and selling that takes place within. So a mistake that traders make is looking too low. If you're looking at a trend that is visible on the 4-hour time frame, but you're only looking at the 5 or 15 minutes for zones or trades, then you might be missing important information. Take this trade for example. We can clearly see here that there are a bunch of small zones. And now we are left wondering which zone is the right one to buy from. Well, if we just jump up to the 4-hour time frame, we'll actually see that only one of the zones sits within a major area. So, because the high time frame gives a clearer picture, we can put our focus on this zone as the highest probability point to trade from. This simplifies the trade down to one clear zone, cuts out a lot of silly losses, and gives us a very high probability point to execute from, increasing the likelihood that we win on this trade, and therefore, if we do it enough, increasing our baseline win-loss ratio over time. All in all, the key points to focus on are imbalances, extreme zones, momentum or the strength of impulse, and using the higher time frames to determine whether a zone is high probability or not. If you put these points into action, you'll be able to trade with more clarity, avoid silly little losses, and catch higher reward, higher probability trades. And if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more, head to the link in the description to enroll in my free trading course. That's all from me. I'll catch you in the next.
I'm back. Hello.
You.
Our CL is making me want to dig my eyes out, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just watching it on my phone as I'm picking up my fucking food. Oh my god, this is absolutely disgusting. Holy shit, it's just accumulating. Going up and down around my fucking TP. Okay, bro, cool. Cool market makers, cool. You know what? I feel like you can have a great edge in this war right now if you actually have some inside info on when somebody's going to bomb somebody that it's like an impossible information to get because it's basically a fucking government secret. But look at this shit, it's fucking dumping. Why? Oh my god, my grandma fucking overcooked this shit. Oh my god. so disgusting, actually. I want to close it. Mm. One second. Hmm. Peculiar price action. Are you in anything?
No.
Just chilling, huh?
I'm just looking over things.
My profits are diminishing as we speak.
Yeah, I don't know why you put it above that high.
Oh. Wait, did this girl cook for you today?
Nah, Friday, sure.
Did you like tell her what you want or?
Yeah, steak.
Oh shit.
Yeah, boy.
I guarantee you this will probably be her first time fucking cooking a steak.
Probs, yeah. Damn, alts are getting wrecked.
Alt?
Yeah, altcoins.
Gold is fucking me in the ass. Might as well close it here. Oh. I had no chance to close it. Killed me. This is actually so funny, but what is it doing? Up, down, up, down, up, down. I mean, these are just fucking untradeable conditions. Disgusting. Like, look at Bitcoin, bro. It's oscillating within this range for 8 hours now. Like,
It's gonna stick between the ranges of 1.1 and 1.6. That's what the options are saying.
oh, disgusting.
That's what they want. That's what they get when the overall market of calls and puts are doing their thing. It's best to kind of stick in this range here. Oh, we're starting to get some 1600 puts. What do we got here? Yeah, okay, a bit of a demand for 1600. The calls are 1600 while the puts are scattered from 1.1 and 116 and 110. And scattered throughout. So I'm guessing we'll go back up to 116. Yes. Where are we at right now? 116's up here.
Ah, you can't make this up, Loki. What the fuck is happening? Holy shit. The biggest candle ever. 1 second. Oh no, this is not good. This is liquidity grab, right? Oh, fuck me.
And ChatGPT.
Oh my god, it took me out.
What? Oil?
Oh my god, what the fuck is this?
No, you're lying.
Some kind of news, huge event.
That's
Oh
what-
my god. Oh my god, no way. No way. Nah, it
that's
took me out on break.
wild.
Took me out on break even and fucking went full TP. Haha, look at it.
What's Bitcoin
Oh,
saying
no,
quickly?
where did it film me though? Wait, did they make money? No.
No, you should have lost money.
Yeah, exactly.
Did you make money from that?
I'm pretty sure I did. Nah, no way. Wait. Let me go on my account.
Did it not
On-
close?
No, wait. Let me go on my account. What? It doesn't register in my account. Did it blow my account? No. Let me see. What the fuck is that liquidity injection though? News are in fucking fuck, what is my password? Wait, am I streaming? Okay.
Let's just see.
Why is my fucking... Wait, futures?
Wait, when did
Why
this
can't I see my
happen?
positions?
Why?
What the fuck? Like, Tradovate? Let me log into Tradovate.
I don't think there's an AI.
Why is it sending it to my fucking...
Is there an AI?
Oh, my grandma is not the fucking cook anymore. Holy shit.
Hello and welcome to TrendSpider, your all-in-one professional grade, full-featured trading platform. With literally hundreds of tools and features, you'll have everything that you need to navigate the markets in one place. Our 16 tickers at once with these fully automated charting capabilities. Sidebar widgets like Season App. You should too. With TrendSpider Strategy Tester, you can put your favorite strategies to the test on any market, from stocks to crypto, futures to forex, without having to write a line of code. It offers a robust set of statistical metrics for you to use when
How the fuck do I
combining
see my positions?
recognition. TrendSpider even comes with dozens of pre-built scans to help.
What? I'm kinda confused, wait. figure this shit out, bro. And I don't remember how much I had on my account. Fucking weird. Oh yeah, I did. It hit my break even.
Hey, Bob's your uncle.
Hmm?
Bob's your uncle.
Exactly. Unfortunate. What can you say? Oh, I might as well put on another trade. Might as well.
Man, this is a rough one. We ain't got much.
Nah, not legitimate, man.
I got nothing on my end, man. I got all my alert sets.
Ah,
Ah.
I'm gonna put how much? I'm gonna put 0.5, which is what? Which is 2? No. No. So it's 250. I need to go 1. Oh, that's too much. I need to go to fucking micro CL. Holy shit. CL. Light crude. Light crude. Oh my god. Fucking hell, light crude, bro. Give me the fuck. UD. What the fuck? Oof, fucking disgusting, exactly. I might as well put 340, I don't fucking care. One. Oh no, one is 100 now. Nice. Alhamdulillah. Hit the limit. Sell. another position. I haven't I haven't traded these many positions in fucking, I don't know, 3 months. I'm just fucking swinging dick randomly. She's not going to my fucking cell limit. No way. Apparently Russia signed a fucking deal with India on some oil shit, whatever.
Yeah, because the US is basically sending itself into suicide.
What is it? What is it? It's what?
Sending itself into suicide.
Mm.
What the fuck are they doing?
I'm not sure. MCO. Mm. Yeah, this is not ideal. Yeah, the break even was some cock shit on the. I don't even have a clue why it did that, because the news are in 20 minutes. Those were not even news. But you can see it's some kind of a fucking market making move 100%, because they went for my high, my full TP. Probably a lot of orders stacked there that they can see, and then it completely displaced in the opposite side. Like nobody could enter this, only you could market enter, but this was a good manipulation move. Now I just want to see continuation to the lows. I think I'm not gonna get filled, probably. What are they? What are they? Let's see what news does. your charts are dry, eh?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, disgusting. Yeah. That's summer PA for you, bro. Welcome, welcome to the Champions Club. I mean, I mean, I'm gambling. That's why I have more trades than you. But I haven't had this many trades in like 6 months. Like I put 3 trades in fucking in a span of 1 hour, bro. I haven't had those in like I don't know 6 months legitimately. I like gambling. Not gonna lie, I like this. Gambling with an edge, as they like to say. This could potentially kill me also though. Just 2 minutes. Why does it just disconnect me? Come on, man. Don't go down now. Fuck. So I'm down 1 for today, that's okay, I guess. I'm only down how much? 1%? Total. Yeah, like 450. Yeah, basically 1%, whatever. Overall down. Savable? Maybe you should come back in the evening and try finding some positions then. Maybe we'll pick up a little bit.
It's kind of cringe, man. Fuck.
Yeah, exactly.
Like
When
I
I'm the one-
can feel that I'm trying to force a trade here.
Yeah, exactly. Just don't. When I'm the one speaking about trades and you trading like 10 altcoins, that means that it's kind of disgusting to trade right now.
I'm going through so many alts right now, and it's just not.
Yeah, don't force anything. Just come back in the evening. Maybe it will be better.
Oh, yeah, I get ya.
Yeah. It's sad. I gotta go on a run. Is it hot outside? I haven't been outside today.
No, not really. Oh, I was kind of keen to train today, man. Damn, I ain't getting nothing here. I have alerts, but like in the current position, the alerts aren't that good.
so unlucky. The break even was so unlucky. I have no clue what it was, but whatever. So 49,500. 3 50k.
Yeah, bro, I just went through every single coin and I'm just like, yeah, nah.
Oh, that's terrible. It's okay. There'll be days like those. Yeah, like the best to just hop off and then come later probably. If there if if there will even be like anything. It's classic price action for the summer. Everybody's abroad spending their trading money, of course, because they're all profitable, right? But I have slept for maybe like 2 hours max. I could not fall asleep, like it was so hot in my room. I need to like hit the sheets for an hour and then I have to go on a run. I still have to edit.
Yeah, especially the, what do you call it?
Thankfully, thankfully like yesterday we didn't have much content, so I'm not that far behind. So
Yeah, but the day before that, when
Yeah, I'm talking
Samantha
about that
was
one.
there.
Yeah, I'm talking about that one. I mean, I made some clips. I'm making those big clips now, like the 9 minutes, 10 minutes. I made one, and then
How many clips did you make from that? Because there's like a shit ton in there.
I made the one big video, like a compilation, as you said, like for the Clippers, you know.
What do you mean by a compilation?
Like those videos that you mentioned you wanted, like the ones that are 9 to 10 minutes, like 10 to 15, 20 minutes long.
Yeah, but
Those
like,
bigger ones.
that's on the same kind of topic.
Yeah, no. Those, and then I'll make TikToks from the whole VOD. I'll see what is like entertaining.
Because that could give us like 3 or 4 YouTube videos as well.